Guys, welcome to Edu Finance. Today's topic is assets. So, what are assets? Something that has economic value owned by you or organization is called assets. This can include your cash, bank deposit, the money which you deposited in the bank, in the saving account, government bonds, private bonds, which certainly gives you interest in the future. Another is insurance policy, jewelry. Jewelry can also be used to take a gold loan or bank deposit. In simple language, assets are things that you can sell for money. Some of the classifications are current assets, financial assets, non current assets, tangible assets, intangible assets, and fixed assets. First, we will learn about current assets. These are resources that a company can use or sell or convert it into cash within a year. Some of them are cash in hand, bank accounts, and short term investment. So, what is short term investment? That investment that can be converted into cash or can be sold within short period of time. Next is account receivables. If you deal in the goods or services in your business, so the money you receive from your creditors are account receivables in the future. Inventory, which also known as stock. Prepaid expenses, if somebody done payment in advance for services or goods. For example, like telecom companies, when you pay first, then enjoy the recharge services for the future. Now, next is non-current assets. These are assets that are not easily converted into a cash within a year. They are expected to generate income for business over some certain many years. Some of them are land, building, right, machinery, equipment used in operations. So equipments are like tools that we used in the factories while our business operations. Investment in stocks, bonds, securities, which gives us return in long term. And next is tangible assets. So tangible assets are the finite value and can be measured and recorded as long term assets. So we can say that assets which are physically be touched and seen. Some of them are land and building, machinery and equipment for which business operations are run. The vehicle which are used to business for the purpose are also included in tangible assets. Now furniture and fixtures. Furniture, but here the fixtures means a part of property. So let's take an example. If you own a car and you constructed a parking for that car, so that parking will called the fixture because it is attached to the assets, and assets is car. And fittings are temporary nails, screws, and hooks attached with fixtures, which are mainly used in operations in the factories. Now, another is intangible assets. These are not physical assets that derives value from ideas, knowledge, innovation, and reputation. For example, if you talk about Tata Groups, so this organization has some reputations. Indians know the value, the innovation, what Tata Group does for the people. So this value is not physical seen, but it presents. Now, another is patent trademark. If you are Domino's to take a logo and sell the pizza on behalf of Domino's, so your shop will be always in demand because Domino's has built its brand very powerful. So if the people think of pizza, first name comes in their mind is always Domino's. That is called trademark. That is called the value. And the another is goodwill. It is nothing but the customer relationship between customer and the company. It's like trust For example, if you want to buy milk, trusted name comes to your mind is always Amul. So that goodwill for Amul. Another example is financial assets that are claims or promise of the future payments. So their value is constantly changing based on market activities and level of risk they carry. Like, but if you can invest in that assets, you can get a very handsome returns like stock, bonds, mutual funds, bank deposits like FD. Means FD, which can also be affected by the market, which is also being affected by the inflation. So the financial assets are always being impacted by the market tricks and analysis. So we discuss some of the assets. Some other assets are also there. Some are fixed assets, liquid assets, operating assets, non-operating assets. So we will discuss later that types in other videos because they are tricky to understand. We'll discuss in detail future. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed and learned from the video, like and subscribe to my Edu Finance and follow us on Instagram. Bye bye. Have a good day.